Hi my friends, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace applique. So let's see. Start the slip knot in chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert your hook in first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Make 18 single crochets in this ring. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Turn your work. Chain 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert your hook in 6th chain, then make a single crochet. Chain 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert your hook in 6th stitch, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Turn your work. Make a single crochet in this space. Make a half double crochet. Make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 double crochets, then make a half double crochet, make a single crochet in single crochet, make a half double crochet in next space, make 10 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 double crochets, then make a half double crochet and make a single crochet, then make a slip stitch in this stitch. Chain 1. Turn your work. Make 5 slip stitches in next 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. chain 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then make a single crochet and single crochet, chain 10, and let's count 1 2 3 4 5. Make a slip stitch in 5th stitch from left, chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make 13 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 double crochets. Then make a half double crochet. Now make a single crochet and single crochet, make a half double crochet next space, then make 13 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 double crochets. Then make a half double crochet and make a single crochet, make a slip stitch in next stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. We hope you loved this video. Show us some love by liking, commenting and subscribing. Your feedback keeps us going. See you soon. Bye.